Hey guys, this is my first video, and today I'm going to show you all of my slimes, which is like basically rainbow slime, because all I have all the colors of the rainbow, so let's get started. I have this pretty vinyl thing, and it has pink slime. It's very sticky. It's very pink slime. You can't really take it out because of the stickiness, but yeah. So I'm going to my red slime now, which I can't take out because it's not sticky slime. I labeled it. I'm sorry if it's backwards, but because I see it as backwards. It says red rose, and it's red, as you can see. It's naturally pink, but then it turned into orange when it was pink, so just turned it. It's red. Made it at my friend's house. Yes, I noticed it just broke. I don't know how to edit, so that's just going to be in the video. Because I don't know how to edit. I don't know if my dad knows how to edit either, so I'll learn eventually. Eventually. So next I have this, my orange peach slime. It's squished, but it says peach. And it's orange. It's horrible. Like, it's very liquidy. Like, it's not liquidy, but it's like has a lot of detergent. Looks slimy and glassy. Wow. I made glassy slime. It's orange, as you can see. Very orange. It doesn't even want to go back together. I don't even know if it makes slime poking noise. Okay, I'm just going to put that on. As you can see, it's very slippery. Yeah, that's just horrible slime. But what you gonna do? I need to fix this slime badly. So, I have this Rico container meant for cards. It's probably I know it looks green, but I swear it's yellow. Like if I go like this, it's yellow. Next is my neon green slime. It's hard slime because I've been playing with it for a while. It's my favorite slime, but stretch. Super stretchy. I think I made this as fluffy slime. I'm not sure, but there's the slimes you just saw. Like, it was like lotion. I put perfume to make it smell good. The two ones that have the labels on it, they were made with detergent. So yeah. This one doesn't really poke that loud. Way. Oh. This part. That got stuck in my hair. I think I'm poking here. I know this is bad quality. I already know. I already know. You don't have to tell me. Okay, next is my blue slime, which is called Skylight. Skylight. This one was made with detergent. I think squishing is not a really good idea, but what are you gonna do? I already did it. Okay. Next, my most favorite slime of all. My purple slime, because it's like the best slime. It used to say purple on here, but it doesn't say that anymore. Can actually poke. You actually hear the poking sound, which is like ASMR. Feels hair. I can hearing it. There's a freaking hair in it. That was disgusting. Let me poke that a little bit. Sorry, I'm using a phone, so I don't know how to edit. So I know I'm sorry if it's really bad, but yeah. Well, I guess I'm gonna do the outro. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I would at least like to get to 5 likes because I already know I only have 2 subscribers, but it's okay. It's Gucci. It's Gucci. It's Gucci. So, bye y'all. See you next video. Peace.